Welcome to the Model 14 of our Cybersecurity series. This is Dr. IT. Today we are continuing with the Certified SOC Analyst training. Now, this training provides a very good hands-on for everyone that have taken our Cybersecurity one. This prepares the SOC analyst to build up and to be stronger in terms of investigations and understanding of a security operations center. And so during this process, the SOC analyst will look into different things. So a SOC becomes a central hub for the security operations. So we build and we monitor, we detect and analyze and respond to threat. Now, the SOC levels, as we looked into earlier on, comes with the different levels. We have the SOC level 1, and then level 2, and then level 3. The level 3 experts handle incident response and advanced forensic, and together they form the backbone of the organization's digital defense as they move on. So to do this effectively, as we looked into, in this class, we will look into different things like the MITRE ATT&CK frameworks, look into something like the TTPs, tactics, techniques, and procedures. We also will go deeper into investigation of the IOAs, indicators of attacks, and then we will look into the indicators of compromise. And then we'll build ourselves, learn hands-on, and then we analyze phishing attacks and insider tricks. How do we identify them? Email, endpoint, real-world, cases. We will do a lot of investigation during this part. Now, it helps us to build up a very good understanding of all of this. Then we will find out a lot of where logs are coming from. So we need to find out from the user system. So, we learn different things. So, but, this is a whole lot that we're going to build. You also will need to have a lot of practical skills in a SIEM, a security information and event, management system, which we ingest a lot of massive lots of data, correlate them, aggregate them, and visualize those, threats that are happening in dashboards. And then we will look into Splunk, Elastic, and other systems like the Windows logs, and then analyze these tools. Now, it is very important because we are investigating everything that is happening within the environment. So we need to look into these areas. So every system in the environment, we forward the logs, the security logs, we forward the application logs, the system logs into this so that we can investigate. Now, one of the key things, not QRadar, IPS, Nessus, Nmap are all your guide within the SOC environment to help you and to build you up so that you can stand up and do very, very well. Now, during this process, the student will learn a lot how to build their own dashboards, how to build their alerts, how to investigate stuff, and how to respond to many, many things. And that will give you a lot of leeway in terms of leading your organization. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And for more SOC analyst training, join me on the next module. Thank you very much.